Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this MordenApe canopy tent. This is 10 feet by 10 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I set it up. As you can see, the canopy tent fits very nicely in this carry bag. Has a handle right there. It also has wheels right there, so you can easily roll it like so. First things first, you're gonna go ahead and expand out the frame of the tent. So I just took it out of the bag and simply pulled out on all corners, and it easily just opens up like that. Next, you just want to drape over the entire tent over the frame. So as you can see, I did that. It took about a few minutes in total for me to do it by myself. Next, you just want to get underneath and push this up. So you basically pop open the entire frame. So you can see now the frame is against the tent as expected. You can secure each of the poles using these Velcros right here so that nothing flies up too much. And it should look like this from the outside. So very beautiful, perfectly set, perfectly smooth top of the tent here. And then you've got these push buttons on the bottom of each leg. You push that in, pull up, and it allows you to extend each leg. So there is the first level. As you can see, it's been extended. And then it's got another level. Keep on pulling up. There's the next one. So there it is in its full form. Super nice, provides lots of shade during the day, during those hot summer days, and just allows you to do anything underneath. It's 10 foot by 10 foot, so lots of room. It's a lot bigger than you'd expect 10 feet to be. So you can set up tables under here to eat a picnic. You can set this up for gatherings at your house. This is amazing. People will love it. Super high quality, by the way, super easy to set up. It took me about 5 minutes in total, so not long at all. And then it also comes with some string. It comes with some stakes to go ahead and tie each of those legs down. As you can see, got 2 holes right there. So if it's a windy day, no worries at all. Overall, I highly recommend. Thanks for watching.